Hello and good day to all of my Tezos friends. We are in exciting times here where it's kind of a ushering in of a digital renaissance for us artists. And I wanted to show you, at least for right now, the way I figured out how to mint my own NFTs onto the Tezos blockchain. And there's going to be a lot more developments coming, but for now, this is what I've figured out to be the easiest way to do it. It works great with Thanos wallet. You're just going to connect, and then we're going to go to objects, and I'm going to use a piece of photography that I did years ago called Moonrise. It's photography. If I could spell photography. There we go. We're going to do just one copy, and then we're going to upload it. And then we should just be able to click Mint and sync it to Thanos wallet. Okay. Did this work? Yeah, alright, cool. So you just confirm once it pulls that up. And that should be it. It's going to take a few moments for it to process, but you should be able to, once it's ready, go to Manage Assets and make sure that it was successfully done. Every time you go into Manage Assets, it makes you connect again. But let's see real quick. It should be popping up on here. And if you don't see it yet, you can go into Thanos activity. Yeah, see, just about a minute ago, started interaction. So let's make sure, refresh the page, it should be there. Yep, there it is. Object 25 now is officially minted on the blockchain, and you can click on it and see the art that you just tokenized. I hope that helps, guys.